In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Freshdesk on your desktop. Freshdesk is a cloud-based customer support software designed to help your business manage and streamline customer interactions all in one place. One of the great things about Freshdesk is that there is no installation required. You simply sign up and set it up right in your browser, making it incredibly convenient and easy to get started. For those of you who prefer to work on the go or integrate Freshdesk with other platforms, there is a mobile app available to enhance your usage. But today, let's focus on setting it up via your desktop. First, open your preferred web browser. If you're familiar with using browsers like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, any will work just fine. Once your browser is open, type in the URL freshdesk.com and hit enter. This takes you to the Freshdesk website where you can start setting things up. You'll see a prominently placed button labeled Get Started for Free or just Sign Up. Click on this button to begin the process. Now, you'll be asked to enter some basic information. This includes your name, business email, and other company details. It's important to use a business email that you or your support team have access to, as this will be crucial for ongoing management and communication. After you've filled in your details, you'll be prompted to create a Freshdesk domain URL. This URL acts as your unique business link, something like yourcompany.freshdesk.com, and will be the address you and your team use to access your Freshdesk account. Next, it's time to set your password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains secure. After completing these steps, you're ready to finalize the sign-up process. Now that you've signed up and logged into your Freshdesk account, you have access to a variety of powerful features waiting to be customized to suit your business needs. Consider adding agents or team members who will be actively using Freshdesk to manage customer queries. Navigate to the User Management section of your dashboard to add agents easily. Next is the customization of your support portal. This allows you to tailor-make the look and feel to match your brand identity, all helping to create a seamless experience for your customers. Also, take your time to set up the ticketing system, which will help manage customer inquiries efficiently. With Freshdesk, you can also set up automations that reduce repetitive tasks and incorporate canned responses for frequently asked questions. The automations and canned responses will help your team respond more effectively, saving time while improving customer satisfaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have Freshdesk set up and ready to support your business's customer service needs. Thank you for watching, and happy supporting.